Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clear your memory cache and boost your RAM. If your computer ever feels slow, sluggish, or lagging during a heavy multitasking or gaming, then this method is definitely for you. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at your current cache so you can see the before and after difference. Head over to your task manager and let's click on the Performance tab, and then select Memory. Down at the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Cached. This is the standby memory that Windows is holding onto. To clear this safely, we're going to download a small portable application called RAMMap. It's developed by Microsoft sysinternals, so it's 100% safe and official. You'll find the direct download link down in the video's descriptions below. Once you're on this page, click on the download link. This file is incredibly lightweight, only about 671 kilobytes. Once it's downloaded, let's extract the zip file. Inside the folder, you'll see a few different versions. Most likely, you'll want the 64-bit version named RAMMap64.exe. Let's right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, and click Yes to allow it. And once it opens, give it a few seconds to load all of your system's real-time memory data. And now, to free up the cache data, look at the top menu bar, click on Empty, and then select Empty Standby List. This instantly flushes the unused background data that Windows keeps locked away. If you look back at your task manager, you will immediately see a massive drop in your cached memory, giving you a major boost in your available RAM and noticeable improvement in your system responsiveness. Let me know in the comments if you notice a difference in your performance, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.